Gifting teddies and chocolates to your girlfriend is so outdated now.
Valentine's Day may be over, but love deserves something timeless. This time, gift a memory that lasts forever with Srishtham Art Gallery. From beautiful textured paintings to elegant designer art pieces, Srishtham Art Gallery creates everything true craftsmanship stands for. Each artwork is customized in their own artistic style, made on premium quality canvas, completely hand painted, original, and one of a kind.
So I got you covered with something so personalized that you can adore it for your whole life.
No print, no copies, just pure art filled with emotions.